get some hay up, y'all. Yeah, that's why I'm driving. I'm driving that truck up here to get hay. I'm about to get some gas again. Here you go. That's our trailer right there. We put the cotton on for the cow. We got about I can say a good 90 or 20 some thousand. But we got pastures all over though, man. We got pastures down in Birdville. We got pastures down in Tarleton County. We got pastures down in Lund County, and we got them all over. Alberta. We got them in man, we got cow pastures all over, man. I had to drive that damn truck way down the goddamn highway. I don't like doing that shit. But man, I gotta get it. Y'all know what up. Let's see y'all right now. We get that motherfucker gas. Y'all hold on. Take y'all on a ride.